I started this AI digital product business just 6 months ago, and it personally generated over $14,000 from one digital product. No face, no ads, just Instagram and TikTok pages. But today, I'm not flexing. I'm starting from zero with you, like a complete beginner, and I'll show you step by step exactly how I did it. I'll even give you my AI digital product so you can apply the same process. Now listen, this works best when you follow the steps in order. Most people fail because they skip steps or choose the wrong niche. That's why the first step is picking a profitable niche. It should check all 3 boxes to pass the test. First, target a high-paying audience. We want people who can actually buy our digital product, so please don't pick a Minecraft niche or something like that. Anyways, second, you should be interested in the niche. If you enjoy it, you'll last longer. If you don't, you'll burn out. Simple. Third, virality. This niche must be worldwide, and you should be able to find more than one account pulling millions of views. Now, put these 3 checkboxes on a list and start brainstorming your niche. Or you can just ask ChatGPT for examples based on these 3 checkboxes. It will definitely give you solid ideas. Once you have a few niche ideas, it's time to analyze and pick the best one. All you need to do is search that niche on Instagram or TikTok and look at 3 metrics. Views, we want millions. Likes and comments to confirm it's engaging, and shares. This means the content is actually shareable. For me, I chose the productivity and motivation niche, which takes me directly to step 2, creating my faceless brand. For the name, I'll use Namelix. It's a brand name generator. Just paste your niche, answer a few questions, and it gives you a variety of creative names. You can create one on your own if you're creative, but check this out, Soul Drive. It gives that feeling of deep motivation and inner power, so I'll pick it. For the logo, here's my strategy. I go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 2 prompts to generate a logo for my brand, Soul Drive. I want the first logo to be text-free, using only the first letter of the brand, glowing in a dynamic way. The second logo should be a glowing icon that represents the brand without any text. Like this, I'll have 2 different logo styles, and I can choose the best one. Then I go straight to Leonardo AI, paste the first prompt, select the Lucid Origin model because it gives high-quality images, set the dimension to 1:1, and hit generate. I do the same thing for the second prompt. And honestly, you'll get so many good options you'll feel lost. They all look great, but I'll go with this one because it presents the letter S clearly, and it has that little star that feels like it represents the soul. Now we're ready to create our accounts on Instagram and TikTok. The reason I start by creating the accounts early is because we need to wait 3 days before posting the first video. During this time, we warm up the account by scrolling, engaging, and following accounts related to our brand. This tells the platform we're not a robot. Finally, make sure to switch your account to professional and add a strong bio. I just asked ChatGPT for bio ideas, and it gave me this one, with an emoji pointing to the digital product link that we'll create in step 3. But before creating random stuff and then wondering why you get 0 sales, there's one important rule. You need to create something people will love and think, am I crazy if I miss this offer? It should be more than one thing. You remember when I checked that box saying, you must be interested in the niche? That also means you'll be interested in the digital product itself. So here's the real question you need to ask. What is that one thing that if I see it, I'd buy it instantly? I have 2 ways to find that. First way, when you're warming up your account during those 3 days, check other creators' bios and see what they're selling. If you like the offer, recreate it, add some enhancements, and sell it. Second way, use the prompt I left in the blog linked in the description. By the way, that blog contains the full explanation of this video, plus all the prompts and resources I'm using so you can stay organized with me. Anyway, paste that prompt into ChatGPT, add your niche, and it will generate an AI digital product pack with more than one item and even explain how to create it using AI. So now let me reveal the digital product I actually created using this ChatGPT method. It's called the All-in-One Life Control System, a ready-to-use Google Sheets dashboard pack designed to help you take control of your life. The pack includes a finance tracker, a weekly planner, a task tracker, and the habit tracker. This is the famous one. From here, you can see all your daily habits, track your progress, and stay consistent. You can also see every month of the entire year, all in one place. And all these trackers come with a manual right here showing you exactly how to customize everything. If you want to download it, I'm giving you explicit resell rights. You can find it at the bottom of the blog. Just enter your email and click Unlock Free Download. That's it. You'll get the link to all 4 trackers. So if you think this is valuable, smash the like button and subscribe. And let's move on to setting it up on Gumroad. It's a free hosting platform, by the way. Once you create your account, click on Settings and set everything up with your brand info, name and logo. Here, you'll see the profile colors. I highly recommend going dark to give it a premium vibe, and for the second color, choose something close to your brand color. I'll pick this blue. Next, complete the payment details so you can get paid. Click Save, then go back to your dashboard and add your first product. For this part, go back to the blog and grab this prompt. Just paste the description of your digital product. Describe it however you want, and ChatGPT will generate everything you need to publish your product with a high conversion rate. If you want more attraction, just say add emojis. And there you go. Now paste the title here. For the price, instead of $9, remember we're selling a high value pack, so set it to $19.99 at least. Then click Digital Product, hit Next, and paste the description. And make sure to add images of what your pack includes. Whatever you're selling, people must see part of it before buying. So I go to all the trackers, take screenshots, then upload them to Canva to make them look clean. Add a frame and a glow shadow. By the way, to get that shadow effect in Canva, you need to download the image first, then re-upload it. Click Edit and select shadow with the color you want. Do this for all the other images. Upload them here, and you're done. Now we need the image that represents our AI digital product. You have 2 options. 1, go to Canva. Add all the images, the title, and a background. Simple. 2, go to Nano Banana on Google Gemini. Upload the 4 images and ask it to create an eye-catching image presentation for this all-in-one life control system pack, including all of these images without changing what's inside the Google Sheets. End it with 16:9. This gives you a wide image, like this one. The result is actually great, but sometimes we need that extra 4K sharpness. So go to any free AI image upscaler. There are plenty of free tools on Google, like this one named I Love IMG. Upload your image and hit Enhance. In seconds, it gives you a high-quality version. If you want more options to choose from, you can also upload the 4 images as one single image to ChatGPT, since it can't accept more than 3 images, and ask it the same prompt. Now compare the 2 results and pick the best one. Just make sure not to compare it with the one you created. Upload the image here, click Save and Continue, then paste the links to all 4 trackers. Now when someone buys it and clicks the links, he will create a copy before he starts editing. So go ahead and click Publish. But we're not done yet. The link shows Gumroad on it, and honestly, that looks unprofessional if we put it directly on our pages. So we need to buy a domain name, and I highly recommend the .store extension. It's basically a cheat code for SEO because it tells Google instantly that you're a business. Plus, big creators like MrBeast use it for their shops. If it builds trust for them, it'll definitely work for us. So go straight to get.store, search for your brand name, click Add to Cart, and proceed. If you add this promo code, you'll get the domain for just 99 cents. You'll need to deselect privacy protection. It's not that important. Now click Pay, create your account, and complete the purchase. Once you purchase the domain, click Manage DNS, then DNS Records. From here, we only need to add one record. It's a key name record. For the value, go to Gumroad, click on Settings, then Advanced, and click on Learn More. Scroll down, copy this exact value, and paste it here. For the host name, write 3W, then click Save. Next, click Domain Forwarding, then Add. Keep your domain the same, but for the destination, paste the full URL format.